to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 6 simulation training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation training without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Java, C++, and many more languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation training and go through it step by step. Here is the question number 1. Click cell B2, click the name box, type purchase price and press enter. Basically in this question you will have go to cell B2, then click the name box and type purchase price. Then go to the cell B2. In the name box you will type B3. Then click cell B3, click the name box, type down payment and press enter. B3 down payment. Next is create range names for cell B9, B10, B11, B12 and B13 based on the names located in A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. First you select the range B9 to B13, then go to the formula tab, then go to define names section, then create from selection and click OK. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 are here. Use the name manager to delete the monthly payment named range. You can go to the formula tab and click on this. You can select the monthly payment named range and delete this. Close. Edit the named range down payment to down underscore payment and click on this. Edit down payment, down underscore payment, and click OK. Then close. Edit the name range purchase price to purchase underscore price. Same, you can click on the name manager section, purchase price, then under purchase underscore price. OK, then close it. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 are here. Replace the cell references in the PMT function located in cell B12 with the appropriate named ranges. Go to the cell B12 in the formula PMT with the appropriate named ranges. Select this. You can type this and press enter. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is create a new worksheet named range names. Basically in this question you will have to create a new worksheet and name its range names. Create new sheet, then right click on this and rename range names. type range names in cell A1. Cell A1, type range name, type location in cell B1. In B1, type location. Insert a list of range names used in formulas in the workbook starting in cell A2. Insert a list of range names. You can go to the formula tab, click on use in formula, then click on paste option, then paste list. Formulas are pasted in this sheet. Auto fit the widths of column A and B. You can select these two columns, then go to the home tab, then go to this drop down format. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Beginning in the cell D4 on the home loan tab, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 4% to 6% in increment of 0.25% vertically down column D. Click on this cell. Then go to this section. Click on this column, select column, and type step value 0.25% and stop value 6%. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 are insert a reference to the original monthly payment in cell E3. First we select cell E3, then type a reference of this cell equals to, then click on this cell B12. We will pass the cell reference to this cell. As you can see that the same value are here in this cell. Same for F3. Insert a reference to the total to repay loan in cell F3. F3 and then we will add a reference B13. Insert a reference to the original total interest paid in cell G3. Same for G3. This is a total interest paid. Click on this. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is use the reference and the substitution value created to complete a single variable data table in the range D3 to G12. First we select the range D3 to G12. Select this range, then go to the data tab, then click on what if analysis, data table, row input cell. You can type in column, you can type B4, the cell reference. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Apply the accounting number format to the range E4 to G12. First we select this range E4 to G12. Then go to the home tab. In the number section you click on this $sign. Our values are converted into the accounting number format. Type APR in cell D3. Cell D3 you will type APR3. Apply a custom number format to cell E3 to display payment. E3, select E3, then click on this down arrow, then go to this setting custom, then general, type your own number format payment, then press OK. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is enter 1,50,000 in cell J3 and 1,75,000 in cell K3. In J3 you will type 1,50,000 and then type 1,75,000 in cell K3. You will type 1,75,000 in cell this. Then enter 2 lakh in cell L3 and 4% in cell I4. We'll go to the L3, then type this amount and 4% in cell I4. And in I4 you will type 4%. Type 4%. Apply the accounting number format to the range J3 to L3. First we select the range J3 to L3, then go to the home tab, then click on this $sign. Our amount are converted into accounting number format. The next question is in the range I4 to I20 use the fill handle to fill the APR substitution value starting at 4% and increasing in 0.25% increments to 8%. First we select the range I4 to I20, then go to this tab and type 4.25%, then drag and down to the range. The next part is select the range I4 to I20 and then increase the number of decimal places to 2. First we select the range I4 to I20, then go to this number section, then click on this to 2 decimal places. The next part is insert a reference to the original monthly payment in cell I3. We'll go to the cell I3 and type a reference monthly payment equals to B12. Simultaneously auto-fit the width of column J to K. First we select these two columns and click on this format tab, then auto-fit column width, click on this. You can see that the column width are auto-fit. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 10. Question number 10 are complete the two variables data table using the range I3 to L20 and reference cell B2 and B4. So to select this range I3 to L20, select this range, then go to the data tab, then go to the what if analysis tab and the data table, row input cell, we can type cost of home B2 column APR 4%, then click OK. Apply a custom number format to cell I3 to display APR. First we go to the cell I3, then apply a custom number format, then click on this down arrow, go to custom, general, and you can type your own custom number format APR, then press OK. Questions are completed now. We have now completed 10 questions of this simulation training. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, weekly quizzes. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.